Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create a free course on Udemy for e-learning. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is of course go to udemy.com, and then you're going to either log in or create an account. When creating an account, it's going to be very easy. You're only going to enter your full name, email, and then password, and then you will be able to easily create an account in Udemy. Now for me, I already have an account, so I'm simply going to log in into my account. Now after logging in, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on instructor over here on the top right as well. Beside the search bar, you're going to see this option instructor, and you're simply going to select this. After this, you will be redirected to the instructor section, wherein this is where you could manage everything related to being an instructor. Now we have your courses, communication, performance, and different tools over here. Now to be able to create a new course, you're simply going to click on new course over here, and then you will be able to start creating your new course. You can create an engaging course. It will start with creating a video, then building your audience, and then you could join the instructor challenges over here. If ever you have questions, you could check out the most popular instructor resources over here, such as this video, wherein you will be able to send sample videos and get expert feedback. You could communicate with different instructors in the instructor community, go to Teaching Center and learn about the best practices for teaching in Udemy. Also check out the Marketplace Insight and go to Help and Support if ever you are confused with other aspect in the instructor section of Udemy. Now we're going to create our first course. To be able to create a course, we're simply going to click on new course over here on the right side. And by clicking this, you will be redirected to this page. Now there is a total of initial 4 steps before we go to the details of our course. And of course over here we have course and practical or practice test over here. We're going to choose course for now, which will allow us to create rich learning experience with the help of video lectures, quizzes, coding exercises, and etc. Because our topic for today's video is how to sell free courses, of course we're going to go with the courses option over here. Simply click on continue. After that, you're going to have a title over here. Now, if you don't have a title yet, or if you don't have a good title, it's okay. You could type in whatever you want, and you could change it later on, so you don't have to worry about that. So for now, we're going to go with a simple title. Let's say Java tutorial. And let's simply click on continue. After this, you're going to have to select the category that fits the knowledge you'll share. And because we chose Java, it's going to have to be IT and software. After that, you're simply going to click on continue once again. After this, on the last initial step, it's going to ask you how much time can you spend creating your course per week. Now, there is no wrong answer. We can help you achieve your goals even if you don't have much time. Now, the different options are I am very busy right now, 0 to 2 hours. I'll work on this on the side, 2 to 4 hours. I have a lot of flexibility, 5 plus hours, and I haven't decided yet if I have time. Now, you should choose the option that is applicable to your situation or your circumstance so that Udemy will adjust for your time or adjust it to your time. So let's say I am very busy right now. Then click on create course. After this, we finish the initial step-by-step process. Now we're going to have to be redirected over here wherein you could type in or enter specific information that would help you build up your course. Now the different steps are over here on the left side. The first step is to plan your course. You're going to have to enter your intended learners, course structure, setup and test video. This is what I talked about earlier, where you will be able to get free expert video help. You have your create content like film and editing, curriculum, captions, and accessibility. And then over here on the publish your course, you could publish your course landing page, pricing, promotion, and course message over here. Now the first step over here is of course the intended learners. You're going to have to enter 4 things or 4 learning objectives or outcome that learners can expect to achieve after learning your course. For example, you could say you will learn to be expert in Java and all of those stuff, and you will have to enter them over here so that the learners will have an idea on what they will achieve if they buy your course. Now we're going to set our course to be free later on, so you're going to have to wait for that. But as you can see, this is how you're going to complete your intended learner section. You're also going to enter what requirements or prerequisites for taking your course. You're going to have to put in information over here. This is very important because, for example, for me, I'm going to be teaching Java on an expert level. If the beginner coder or a beginner programmer doesn't know this and they bought my course, of course, they wouldn't be able to learn properly because the course is too advanced for his level. So you're going to have to enter specific information over here to help your learners make better decisions to whether start learning your course or not. You could also enter over here who is this course for, let's say beginner Java programmers, all of those stuff, and then you could add more by clicking to add more to your response over here. You will have more options to add to this section. Now after that, you go to the course structure over here. In this section, you could plan out your structure. As you can see here, you can simply read through the different information over here. And then after that, you could go to setup and test video. It is important to get your audio and video set up correctly. So simply create a sample video and then send it over here, create a test video, and they will advise you to whether upgrade your audio system or have a better video quality, all of those stuff. So this is very important before you start creating your courses. And after that, you're going to have to create your content in the film and editing section. As you can see here, you can join the community in this section. Then you will see more information over here like tips and tricks and requirements over here. Like the different requirements is film and export in HD to create at least 720p or 1080p if possible. Audio should come out of both left and right channels and be synced to your videos, and audio should be free of echo, background noise, so not to be distracting to the students. After your film and editing, you could edit your curriculum over here. You could upload them over here. You could like add a curriculum item like lecture, quiz, coding exercise, assignment, all of those stuff. You could upload your videos over here, videos and slide mashup or article over here. After that, you could go to captions. Now captions and accessibility is very optional. And after filling in all of those information that we have just talked about, we can now continue to the publish your course section. In the publish your course, you could once again edit your course title over here, your course subtitle, description, basic information like the levels, IT, subcategories over here, then who what is primarily taught in your course, let's say Java once again, then you can upload your course image, promotional video, and as you can see, all instructor or all visible instructors of this course must complete their profile. So for me, my profile is not yet completed, so I will need to fix this earlier or later on. And you also have your promotions over here. Now we're going to check out pricing. How do we make our course to be free? Now in this section, this is where you will be able to set the pricing of your course. And the different options are, as you can see here, free, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and tier 24 over here, which is going to be more expensive and more expensive over here. And the free one, as you can see, simply click on free and click on save. And you can choose your different currency over here as well. And after clicking on save, and after filling all of this out, after completing all the required information, you can simply click on submit for review, and you will be able to submit this to Udemy and to the different expert, and they will scan through your curriculum over here. They're going to give you some advices if you need some advices. But if ever your course is good and there's no need for polishing, you will be able to upload your course in Udemy and start giving free courses in Udemy. And that's it, guys. That's how you could upload free courses in Udemy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.